Maruti Suzuki has launched the latest version of the Dzire in India. Bookings have begun, and it will be available on November 11th with all of its variant-specific prices. Meanwhile, here is the whole external and interior design of the new Dzire, as well as all of the amenities it will include. The car features a striking style that includes a wide grille with horizontal slats and sleek LED headlights with integrated LED DRLs. The updated small sedan is equipped with new dual-tone alloy wheels and a short tail section with new Y-shaped taillights. Inside, the new Dzire has a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Other amenities include a 3-spoke steering wheel with a standard analog instrument cluster, automatic climate control, and a wireless charger. The major selling point of this tiny vehicle is its single-pane electric sunroof, which is a first-in-the-segment innovation that will appeal to consumers. The new Maruti Dzire is powered by a 1.2-liter Z-Series engine. The new 3-cylinder engine generates 80 horsepower and 112 Nm of torque. It comes with either a 5-speed manual or an AMT. Interestingly, the Dzire will continue to have a factory-fitted CNG option. It includes a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, automatic air conditioning with rear vents, analog driver's display, a wireless phone charger, and cruise control. The Dzire is the first subcompact sedan in India to include a single-pane sunroof. The 2024 Dzire is powered by the new 1.2-liter 3-cylinder Z-Series petrol engine, which debuted with the new Swift. It produces 82 horsepower and 112 Nm and is available with either a 5-speed manual or a 5-speed automatic transmission. Maruti also offers the new Dzire with an optional CNG power plant, which has a lower output of 70 PS and 102 Nm. It is only available with a 5-speed manual transmission. The claimed fuel economy figures for the new Dzire are as follows. Petrol mount, 24.79 kmpl. AMT for petrol is 25.71 kmpl, while CNG is 33.73 km/kg. Its basic safety features include 6 airbags, electronic stability control, ESC, and rear parking sensors. Over the Swift, the Dzire gains a 360-degree camera, segment first. It is available in 7 monotone colors: gallant red, alluring blue, nutmeg brown, bluish black, arctic white, magma gray, and splendid silver. It will be available in 4 broad variants: XC, 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 and XC+.